Hi, thanks for watching. It's an update on my garden. It's been a week and the plants all look really good. There's a couple of them that look like they're kind of wilting. I don't know if it was because of planting them or how we planted them. I'm not really sure, but we're going to keep an eye on them. We might have to end up replacing them. We'll see. One is the bean plant and the other is the zucchini squash at the far end. So we'll keep an eye on them and make sure that they're going to be all right. I know my granddaughter wanted me to plant cantaloupe. Cantaloupe take a lot of space. They're kind of like a zucchini squash or a cucumber, but actually they're more because they spread out. I know I worked with my uncle on his farm in Wisconsin, and he planted acres of cantaloupe, and on the day that we would pick them to harvest to take them to the market to sell, we would walk through the field and he would pick the cantaloupe that the gophers would eat. We would pick them up and there'd be just a little patch where the gophers would eat it, and he'd pick all those and we'd take them with us to the market. He had a metro van and we'd fill that van up and take it to the Capitol Square in Wisconsin there, and he'd take those cantaloupe that the gophers would gnaw on and he'd cut those up and use those as samples, and they were tasty. And I remember him telling me that the gophers always knew which one was the sweetest melon. And we'd sell the whole truckload. We'd come back home that afternoon with an empty truck, and I'll never forget that. But anyway, this here raised bed garden is too small for cantaloupe. It'd be nice, and I do think that that would probably be one of the first things that the animals would go for. But anyway, we're going to keep an eye on it, and we're going to show you how everything's going on and how it's progressing and growing. And as soon as it starts bearing fruit, you'll see it at the same time we do. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button.